Heyo YouTube! Today we're doing a parking brake replacement on a Yamaha Viking. Kind of a difficult job. I'm going to talk you through it a little bit. I did a search on this before I started. I didn't really find a lot, so that's why I'm putting this on there. Just to help you people out there that are trying to do this on your own to save a little bit of money. First of all, you need to put aside a good 4 or 5 hours. This is a fairly big job that you're going to get into here, but it is very doable, but it can be fairly time consuming. I started by pulling out the center sections here. There's a series of bolts in there, and there's a couple of these plastic rivet things. Then I pulled out the center section in the back. This is a 6-seat model we have here. Your 3-seat one would be very similar. The cable will just be a lot shorter. The cable runs down through the center section here, and it's zip tied about every 12 inches to the other electrical cables and throttle cable. So you have to go through and make sure that you cut every one of those zip ties all the way to the back. Okay. Once you've got that done, you can start pulling out the old cable. You'll notice I still have the old cable laying here on the ground. The reason I did that is I kind of want to see exactly how it's routed, and I'll pull the new one kind of alongside of it as I go so that I get in the right spot. Now, probably the most difficult part of this job is actually getting the old cable out and the new cable in. I fought with it for quite a while under the dash, and it was nearly impossible. I actually got the old cable off, but the cable piece right here was still stuck in this part, and there was just no way to get that out of there. And getting a new one in there, very, very difficult. I hate to use the word impossible, but you're pretty much there. Okay? So what I did here is I took out all the plastic hold downs on the top of the hood section here, and I pried it up. I put a wood block in here to get some access. It looks horrible, but I tell you, I didn't break a thing. That gave me some access, and if you go down inside here, there are 2 bolts. If you look at this bracket, you can see where the 2 bolts go. It uses a 10mm wrench. Make sure you get a ratcheting one, or you're going to be on this till the end of time because there isn't much room there. But with a ratcheting one, it makes it a heck of a lot easier. Now I'm getting into the reinstall process. I decided to bring this bracket out the hole because it's a lot easier than working on it down underneath there. I also had to unhook this little electrical contact. I assume that puts on the light when you put the brake on. Now that it's outside and easy, it's very easy to work on, and I'm ready to put it back inside. So, good luck to you. If you have any comments, please put them below. Please be gentle. I'm a first-timer. See ya.